In this recipe, I'll be using 1 ripe soft-sweetened mango, 1 egg, baking powder, powdered milk, and 2 cups of all-purpose flour, and 1 cup of water and vanilla essence, melted butter. These are the ingredients I will be using for this delicious snack. I will start by cutting my mango. After my mango is properly washed and my hands are washed. Hey dear, welcome back to Gracefully EUT. Welcome back to my channel. On this video, we're going to be making mango buns. Yes, this is a very delicious snack that I got from another fellow YouTuber, and I thought of giving it a try, and it came out so amazing that my kids and family loved it. So if it's your first time coming across my video on my channel and you haven't subscribed, please hit on the subscribe button while we continue the video. And to my returning subscribers, welcome and thank you for always coming back to watch my recipes and always coming back to give me that going spirit to increase it. Thank you so much for always coming back to support. So I'll go ahead first to sieve all my dried ingredients. In here I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to sieve that, including my dried powdered milk. Next, I will be adding my baking powder, pinch of salt. In this recipe, I didn't add any sugar to it, and it came out so nice. So my mango is blended, and I'll keep the puree in one side. I want to say a mega shout out to Mr. Best Davis Show, who has keeping supporting this my membership. And if you haven't joined my membership, hit on the join button and endeavor to join my membership to keep the channel growing and supporting me. So I just added my eggs. Now I'm adding my mango puree, and I will mix that thoroughly together. The reason why I didn't add sugar to this recipe is because the mango is very ripe and it tastes very sweet. So I'll be adding some vanilla essence, and I'm gonna give that a proper mix. And I'm adding just 3 tablespoons of water because the mango puree is very soft because of its ripeness. So I added 3 tablespoons of water because I don't want it to be over light. So after mixing, I'm going to creating my oil, and then I will be scooping in my mixed batter. This recipe is so simple and easy and yummy. So now that my oil has heated up, I will just add a little oil to my scooping spoon. This will enable the batter not to be stick to my scooping spoon. So I'm using the ice cream spoon because that's the same way I saw it in the video I got this recipe from. This recipe is not originally mine, so I'll just scoop and scoop until I have enough quantity of it in my oil, and then I will just make sure I keep my eyes on it because I don't want it to get burnt. And once I notice the other side is getting brownish, then I will just flip it to the other side with my skewer. So after a few minutes, I'll turn the other side to give it a proper cook, and I'm frying this in a medium heat. Yes, I'm frying this in a medium heat, not in a low heat nor high heat. You can see the color came out so beautiful, and then I'm just gonna bring them out of the oil and add the second batch, and then I'll see you then. And while bringing it out of my oil, I'm transferring it into a tissue paper. This will enable the reduce of oil from the buns. Meanwhile, all the ingredients I used in this video will be down below in the description box as always. So I am done with the total frying of my dough, and this is the result of my mango buns. It tasted so delicious. It's not that crunchy because of my toddlers, so I made it a bit soft, not too crunchy because of my toddlers. I would advise you give this snack a try, and I'm sure you're gonna love it just the same way I gave it a try and I loved it. If you watched to this very extent, I want to say a big thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video. Stay blessed and stay safe.